Hello, welcome to the Decoding Patterns video hint. We are going to work together to begin to solve this puzzle, okay? Now this puzzle has a coded message in it, and our job is to decode that message using the patterns in each box. Now in order to see what these patterns mean, we're going to use this down here. We're calling this the key, all right? This is the key that will unlock our puzzle. And basically what we have to do is write the letter that matches the patterns in the box to decode the message. Now that sounds a lot more difficult than it is. Now this is going to be fun and it's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let me show you. Now when we're doing this puzzle, I think it's really helpful to say the pattern out loud so you can hear it and you can feel the pattern. So I'm calling all of these circles dot and all of these little rectangles bar. And you'll see why in a second. It sounds really cool. So let's work together. We're going to take a look at this first box. The pattern in this box says dot, bar, bar, bar. Dot, bar, bar, bar. And you see as I say the pattern, I'm also touching each of the items in the pattern. So why don't you do it with me? You ready? Let's say it together. Dot, bar, bar, bar. And you by yourself now? All right. Dot, bar, bar, bar. So that's the pattern we're looking for. So let's go down to our key. The first clue says dot, dot, bar, dot. Now that does not sound like our pattern here. Our pattern up here is dot, bar, bar, bar. So we know that this is not the match to our pattern. Let's look at the next pattern. Dot, bar, bar, bar. Now let's say it again together. Dot, bar, bar, bar. Let's see if that matches up here. Dot, bar, bar, bar. Now nod your head if you think that that matches. If you nodded your head, you're right. Dot, bar, bar, bar in this box matches the pattern dot, bar, bar, bar in this box. So that means that this is the answer for the first box, the letter G. So let me get my pen down here. Let me see where it is. I'm going to grab a pen and we'll make a green pen. And so now I know dot, bar, bar, bar matches. That is the letter. Does anybody know this letter? It is the letter G, capital or uppercase G. So we're going to write capital G, uppercase G into this first box. Okay? Great. We're cooking with gas. I told you it would be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now that we've done that, we solved that pattern. We are going to, and we know that that's a G, dot, bar, bar, bar is a G. I'm going to put this check mark so we know that we've used that. Let's come to the next pattern. The next pattern is bar, 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 bar. Let's hear it again. Say it with me. Bar, 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 bar. Again. Bar, 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 bar. And one more time, you by yourself. I'll touch it for you. Do you see any other similar patterns? Bar, 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 bar. So we see it here. And I see some of you guys probably saw this one here because it's right next to each other. And there's a third one. So there are 3 squares that have the same pattern. So that means if we find this pattern, we will find the answer to 3 different squares. Oh my goodness. Let's look down at the key and see if we can match the pattern. We'll start here again. We're looking for, again, bar, 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 bar. Right here we have dot, dot, bar, dot. Not a match. We know this is not the answer because we already used that one. Let's do dot, bar, dot, dot. We're looking for bar, 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 bar. Let's look through these patterns. I'll let you all look through these patterns and see if you can find the match. If you find the match to bar, 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 just point it out. Up, bar, 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 bar. Good work. So we know that this pattern represents the letter O. Great job, guys. So we're going to put an O in 3 of these boxes because we know this challenge is easy peasy lemon squeezy. There we go. So we found the patterns here, and we matched the patterns from this box with patterns in our key. And we know for our first box, the dot, bar, bar, bar matched with the pattern down here for dot, bar, bar, bar. And that was the letter G. So we put the letter G into the box. And then we looked for the next pattern, bar, 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 right? And we found that here, bar, 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 bar. And we know that that is for the letter O. And then we filled out the letter O in these boxes. Now, this is a great exercise to work together with somebody. And it's also a great exercise to work your brain, because this is what people do all the time when they decode messages and patterns. And it's also what your computers are doing all day long when they are sending messages and typing messages. They're using codes and they're decoding codes. So codes are very important in our life. So if you can do this exercise, I know you can do anything you put your mind to. Thank you so much for decoding patterns with me today. I hope you spend time figuring out the last 3 boxes. Bye.